Good morning, Jack. You look very happy today. What's the secret? Did you win the lottery or something?
Good morning, Emma. No lottery, but I feel proud of myself. I was thinking about my English journey.
Your English journey? That sounds interesting. Wait, didn't you learn English by yourself, without courses or teachers?
Yes, exactly. I learned English alone, step by step, and it changed my life.
Wow, that's amazing. Tell me everything. How did it start?
Okay, but be ready. It's a long story.
I'm ready. I have coffee and time.
At first, my English was very bad. I knew only simple words like hello, thank you, and sorry.
That's normal. Many people start like that.
Yes, but I felt shy. I was afraid to speak. I always thought, what if I make mistakes?
Same here. Fear is the biggest problem.
Exactly. One day I said to myself, Jack, you don't need a teacher. You need courage.
I like that. Courage is free.
I made a clear decision. I will learn English every day, even if it's only 20 minutes.
Only 20 minutes? That sounds easy.
Yes, that was the secret. I didn't study for many hours. I studied every day.
Consistency, not pressure.
Exactly.
So tell me about your daily routine. What did you do every day?
Okay, my routine was simple. Morning, I listened to English. Afternoon, I read something easy. Evening, I spoke with myself.
You spoke with yourself?
Yes, I was my own friend and teacher.
That's funny and smart. Let's start with listening. What did you listen to?
At first, very simple things. Short videos, cartoons, easy conversations.
Not movies?
No, movies were too hard at the beginning. Too fast, too many words.
A good point.
I listened without understanding everything. I focused on sounds, not meaning.
So you didn't translate every word?
Never. Translation made me tired.
And reading?
I read short texts, very short. Simple stories for beginners.
Did you use a dictionary?
Yes, but not a lot. Only for important words.
That's good. Many people stop because of the dictionary.
Exactly. Reading should be fun, not stressful.
Now, tell me about speaking. I'm curious.
Okay, this part was funny. I talked to myself in the mirror.
No way.
Yes way. I said things like, hello, Jack. How are you today?
That's cute.
It felt strange, but it worked. I practiced simple sentences every day.
So, how long did you continue this routine?
For about 8 months.
Only 8 months?
Yes, but every day. No breaks.
That's impressive. Did you face problems?
Of course, many problems.
Like what?
I forgot words. I felt bored sometimes. I felt my progress was slow.
That's very real.
One time, I wanted to quit.
What stopped you?
I remembered why I started. I wanted to understand English without fear.
And how did you solve these problems?
I changed small things. I watched funny videos. I listened to music. I took short breaks.
So you made learning fun again.
Yes, English became a friend, not an enemy.
How did you know you were improving?
One day, I watched a video and I understood it without subtitles.
Wow, that's a big moment.
Yes, I smiled and said, I'm doing it.
That must feel amazing.
Also, I noticed I could think in English. I could answer faster. I felt more confident.
Any funny mistakes?
Oh, yes. Once I said, I am boring instead of I am bored.
So you told people you are a boring person.
Exactly. We all laughed.
Mistakes make learning fun.
And memorable.
What advice would you give beginners?
I would say, don't be afraid. Start small. Enjoy the process.
That's beautiful.
English is a skill, not magic.
Jack, your story is inspiring, really.
Thank you, Emma.
You proved that learning English without courses is possible.
Yes, with patience and practice.
I think many people will feel hopeful after hearing this.
I hope so. And remember,
What?
mistakes are not failures. They are steps forward.
I love that.